Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no see. Dave Shipley here at BISH'S RV in Great Falls, Montana. Today we're featuring this gorgeous pre-owned camper we just took in. It's a 2021 Winnebago Micro Mini. Off-road package, 100 watts of solar on top, heated tanks. This thing has it all. Only 5,000 pounds fully loaded. This is even mid-size SUV towable. If you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee, this is in your ballpark. Now, a couple cool features on this thing is you do have a power tongue jack, dual 30-pound propane tanks, and dual batteries up front. Even over on this side, to make life just that much easier for you when you're leveling it up, you got bubbles on either side, on the front and down the side of the camper, so you can, that'll minimize going in and out of the camper, in and out of your car, trying to figure out how level you are. Now, it also does have power stabilizers front and rear. Each one is controlled by its own switch right here on the front and on the back for either side. Notice how much storage is in this thing. Not only is it a pass-through, but it's about 4 feet wide in there. That's some of the biggest pass-through storage I've ever seen personally. Monster awning on the outside with LED lights and speakers on the outside. It even has a spot if you wanted to add a TV. Now on the back end, you do have a full-size spare off-road tire with a ladder that goes up to your fully walkable roof. So any maintenance you need to do, if you want to go up there and add a little bit to your solar, you can do it yourself. Let's head on inside and take a look at this beautiful bunkhouse we have. So the first thing you'll notice as soon as you walk in, on the right-hand side, you're gonna have a nice queen-size bed. It does go east-west, but it gives you that much more space for the dwelling area. Tons of cabinets above, and even access to the storage below in that little cabinet down there. The booth-style dinette also turns into a bed itself. So you just easily lower or raise this table out of the way, fold those cushions down, and you got another bed for another person. Now, granted, you do have the bunks in the rear, but just in case your kids want to bring some friends or a friend, there's an extra bed for themselves. You do have some nice pass-through storage here underneath the bunks, which is also accessible from the outside with that storage door. This bottom bunk folds shut. So if you wanted to say, maybe put in some kids' bikes, put in a bunch of play toys, whatever you wanted to put back here, you can fit it in there. Tons of kitchen space in this thing. So you do have a really nice stainless gooseneck retractable faucet with a deep stainless sink. 3-burner stove right to the side of that, and a microwave oven. These cabinets are absolutely gorgeous. Takes zero effort to get them open, zero effort to get them closed. On the back side of the camper here, you're gonna have a really nice rear bath and a dual purpose 8 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator. So granted, you have the solar, but you can also run that off of propane if the batteries start getting a little bit low on a cloudy day. Coming in again at only 5,000 pounds fully loaded, this Winnebago Micro Mini is the perfect lightweight off-road camper for that family that likes to go out and boondock and do fishing, do hunting, play at the river, go up into the middle of the woods where not everybody can get to, and you can do it in style. Winnebago screams style no matter what you look at with what they make. Beautiful pantry space for canned goods, food, tons of space up here for paper towels, paper plates, you name it, you can take it. Also has a little DVD and CD player over here, so you can listen to some tunes or turn on a movie for the kiddos on a rainy day if they get bored. Again, Dave Shipley here at BISH'S RV in Great Falls, Montana. Our address is 3928 Tri-Hill Frontage Road. If you like what you see, click below. It'll bring you here to our website, to our dealership. Give us a call, ask for any of us. We'll be happy to help you. Hope you have a great day.